Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Knuckles in his classic design. Fists up, attitude on, and that trademark scowl. Let's go. Tiny skeleton, quick and snappy. Start the head as a rounded oval with a firm muzzle projecting forward. Place the eyes as almond ovals. Knuckles' classic look uses a fierce side glare. Tilt the upper lid slightly for that scowl. Add the brow line, a strong arc. It gives him that half grin, half grump expression. Quick note, if you like classic Sonic characters, check the Sonic playlist on the channel. Sonic, Shadow, Tails, and more are already there. The mouth should be a small sideways smile at the lip corner. No teeth showing, just attitude. Knuckles' quills fall down like thick, long, dreadlock-like spikes, not upward like Sonic's. Block them as several broad, tapered planes that hang behind the head and end pointed. Think heavy, confident chunks. Each quill should read bold even in silhouette. Draw a compact, muscular torso, chest slightly puffed. Don't overcomplicate. A bold chest line and a white crescent on the upper chest reads instantly, Knuckles. Legs are strong but compact. For shoes, follow the classic bulky sneaker look. Thick soles and that plate across the top, like a little Lego block for decoration. Keep strokes loose. At this stage, we're feeling shapes, not locking lines. If you're drawing along, hit like and drop a bang in the comments. And also tell me what you thought of this video. Arms are sturdy cylinders. Keep them thick near the shoulder and taper to the wrists. For the fists, start with mitten shapes, then carve the spiked knuckles. 4 rounded spikes on each glove are iconic. Solid, heavy fists sell the power. Knuckles is more than fists. He's a guardian with a soft side sometimes, and his stories span games, TV, and movies. Tail is short and stubby. Keep it simple to balance the silhouette. Step back, check silhouette. If the silhouette reads Knuckles from far away, you nailed it. Clean any confusing overlaps and prepare to move to line art. Okay, let's move to the next phase, line art. Now we're doing final line art. Steady hand, outside lines thicker, inside details thinner. Use a heavier line weight for the outer contour to create that bold cartoon look. Refine eyes and brow lines. Tighten the scowl and sweep the muzzle clean. Subtle line weight shifts around the eye make the expression pop. Quick fact, Knuckles debuted as a rival in Sonic the Hedgehog 3 and was designed to be a powerful intimidator. He's the guardian of the Master Emerald. That's central to his story. More recently, Knuckles got his own Paramount Plus spin-off with Idris Elba voicing the character. Finalize the shoe plate and sole, add the little panel lines, and keep the toes rounded. If you're enjoying this, hit like and subscribe, and check the Sonic Characters playlist for more Sonic, Shadow, Tails, and Knuckles. Now the knuckle spikes. Keep them rounded and chunky, not sharp. They should feel like cute claws, not realistic gouges. Define the cuff lines of the glove with a thinner pen. For colors, use bright red for Knuckles' fur, warm peach for muzzle and neck, white chest patch, and yellow-green for shoe accents. Keep colors flat and bold, no shading for this piece. Add a simple ground oval to anchor him. Double-check the tail and chest markings. Clean unused sketch lines. And done! If you loved this, smash like, subscribe to Davi Toons Club, and let me know which Sonic Pal we should retro make next. Thanks for drawing with me. See you in the next video.